iPhone enables users to listen to music anywhere and anytime. When switching to a new iPhone, you may wonder how to transfer music from an old iPhone to a new one. Today, you can find all of the hottest solutions here. Tip 1. Share music from iPhone to iPhone via iTunes on a computer. Connect old iPhone to PC or Mac. Open iTunes. Go to File, Device. Transfer purchases from your iPhone name. Disconnect old iPhone. Connect new iPhone. Tap Songs. Select Music. Choose Add to Device. Save to new iPhone. Tip 2. Share music from an iPhone to another one by iTunes Store app. Sign in with Apple ID on new iPhone. Open iTunes Store. Tap More. Then Purchased. Choose Music. Select Not on this iPhone. Tap All Songs. Click Download All to get purchased music. Tip 3. Switch all of music and other media files from iPhone to iPhone with one click effectively. The most effective way to transfer tons of media files, including music, from iPhone to iPhone is to seek help to third-party software. Phone transfer is one of the best iPhone transfers. Here are the details. Step 1. Connect your iPhones to a PC at the same time. Step 2. Adjust the phone's positions. Step 3. Select the music option. Step 4. Start to transfer music and other files. Tip 4. How to send music from iPhone to iPhone via Bluetooth. Number 1. Old iPhone. Open app. Log into AirDrop account. Select song. Tap 3 dot More. Click Share. Choose AirDrop. New iPhone's name. 2. New iOS device. Receive message. Tap Accept on pop-up. Tip 5. How to share music between two iPhones with home sharing. Number 1. Old iPhone. In Settings, access Music. Sign in with Apple ID for home sharing. 2. New iPhone. Use same Apple ID for home sharing. Open Music. Tap Library. Tap Home Sharing. Hidden, Edit, and choose. Tip 6. Sync music from an old iPhone to a new one using Dropbox. Number 1. Upload music from old iPhone. Open app. Tap Add Files. Select desired songs. Click Upload. 2. Download music to new iPhone. Open app. Choose Received Music. Click Make Available to save songs.